the strategic plan, and this is the election project plan.
That is the chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Mahmud Yakubu, making public the 5-year strategic plan of his organization. The documents, according to Professor Mahmud Yakubu, are the third in a series of strategic election plans since the era of deliberate planning of elections, which started in 2012. He said the plans were finalized 10 months ahead of the forthcoming general elections. He said the polls are expected to be conducted for 1,491 constituencies nationwide. This is made up of 1 presidential constituency, 109 senatorial districts, 360 federal constituencies, 28 governorship elections, and 993 state constituencies. The commission, he added, will deploy officials across 176,846 polling units in 8,809 wards and 774 local government areas across the country.
The election will be governed by the new Electoral Act 2022, which contains many progressive provisions that will enhance the capacity of the Commission to conduct elections and manage the electoral process better.
Professor Mahmud noted that the Commission relies on 3 key elements.
First is the knowledge and experience gathered from the conduct of previous elections. Second is the use of innovations to enhance electoral integrity and improve voter experience. Third is the institutionalization of the culture of planning.
On his part, President, Nigerian Union of Journalists, Chris Isuguzo, represented by Chairman, Federal Capital Territory, commended the Commission for the successful passage of 2022 Electoral Act and called on the Commission and civil society to expedite measures towards training and building the capacity of journalists in order to keep the society informed. Professor Sam Egu is the resident electoral commissioner in Niger State and speaks on the role of citizens in the success of the strategic plan.
Citizens of Nigeria are core, to the entire success of the plan in terms of our own advocacy efforts, in terms of getting them involved, by disseminating critical electoral information and defining their critical role, as citizens, in terms of collecting their PVCs, in terms of mobilizing them to come and vote, and in terms of informing them that they have a fundamental duty, to come out as citizens. Because at the end of the day, it is the ability of citizens to understand their role in the electoral process and to then come out on election day that will be, in my opinion, the final consummation of what the plan stands for.
Halilu Pai is a resident electoral commissioner, Plateau State.
Now, going forward, we are ready to start implementation, and I can say quickly that we are quick to go immediately, in the Plateau State as far as the implementation of this strategic plan is concerned.
The event, which had in attendance a cross-section of stakeholders in election management, had goodwill messages from Chairman IPAC, civil society organizations, IFS, ECES, who all commended the nation's electoral body while pledging their support and cooperation towards the success of the 2023 general elections. This is Roland Longs.